10 life-saving foods on the carnivore diet. Let's take a walk back just a few 100,000 years. Before supermarkets, before plant-based snacks, before we had to debate what to eat, we were hunters. And what kept us strong, sharp, and alive? Animal foods. Now fast forward to today. The world's gotten loud with diet advice, but sometimes simple is smart. The carnivore diet is about getting back to what works. And today, I'm going to tell you the 10 foods you can eat, the ones that can actually save your life if you're going all in carnivore. Let's dive in. 1. Beef, the backbone. If you could only eat one food for survival, beef is it. Fatty cuts like ribeye are rich in protein, B vitamins, iron, and zinc. It fuels your muscles, your brain, and your hormones. Think of beef as the steak-sized life raft in the carnivore ocean. 2. Liver, nature's multivitamin. Just a few bites a week give you vitamins A, D, E, K, and B12. Forget supplements, this is real, whole nourishment. It's not always the tastiest, but your body will thank you. 3. Eggs, small but mighty. Eggs are the perfect little package. Protein, healthy fats, choline, and more all in one shell. They're easy to cook, easy to digest, and easy to love. 4. Salmon, the ocean's gift. Wild-caught salmon brings in omega-3 fats that fight inflammation, protect your heart, and support your brain. Plus, it's a nice change of pace from red meat. 5. Ground beef, the budget hero. Same benefits as steak, but cheaper and more versatile. Make burgers, meatballs, or just toss it in a pan. It's one of the easiest ways to stick to the diet and stay full. 6. Bone marrow, the ancient superfood. Marrow is packed with healthy fats, collagen, and immune-boosting compounds. It's rich, silky, and feels like you're feeding your soul. Cavemen didn't toss bones, they cracked them open for the stuff. 7. Bacon, yes, really. Choose high-quality, sugar-free bacon, and it's a satisfying way to get fat and protein. Eat in moderation, but enjoy it. Bacon adds joy to the plate. 8. Sardines, tiny but powerful. Loaded with calcium, vitamin D, omega-3s, and protein. And because you eat the whole fish bones and all, you're getting nutrients most people miss. 9. Butter, fat is your fuel. On the carnivore diet, fat keeps you going. Butter is clean, simple energy. Cook with it, melt it on your steak, or even eat it by the spoonful if you need to. 10. Heart, the underrated organ. Beef heart is rich in CoQ10, which supports energy and heart health. It tastes like steak but gives your body a deeper layer of support. A true secret weapon food. So there you have it, 10 real, powerful, life-saving foods. No fluff, no filler, just fuel. If you stick with these, your body will know what to do. You'll burn cleaner, think clearer, and maybe, just maybe, start feeling better than ever before. Stay strong, stay primal, and keep it simple.